How to add multiple stops in Lyft. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from Solution Guy, and in today's guide video I'll simply show you how you can add multiple stops to your Lyft ride, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you can add a stop to your Lyft ride to help you easily run a quick errand or drop another passenger off. However, Lyft asks that you keep your stop to less than 10 minutes of wait time for the driver. Otherwise, you should end the Lyft ride and then call a new one. Now, rideshare apps can help those who don't have access to a vehicle get from point A to point B in a relatively comfortable and timely manner depending upon traffic. And thanks to the extra stop feature on Lyft, it can also help you run errands along the way. You can add a stop to a regular Lyft rides as well as those on Lyft Excel and Lyft Lux. However, the company notes that passengers should set expectations by agreeing on wait time before getting out at the first stop, and those who will be more than 10 minutes at a stop should request to end the ride and get a new Lyft when they are actually ready. That way, drivers aren't stuck waiting around for too long. With that in mind, here's how to add a stop to your Lyft ride. Now, this is an easy enough task, and once you know how to add a stop, you'll be able to do so quickly. Open the Lyft app, log into your account if needed, tap on the destination bar, start inputting your first stop, and then tap on it when it appears. Now tap on the destination bar again and select the plus sign next to the current end destination. And as you've done that, input and select your final destination. Pick the ride mode and tap select to order your Lyft. If you decide later on that you don't need to make an extra stop, you can get rid of it by tapping on it and selecting the option called remove stop. That's all it takes to add multiple stops on Lyft. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.